I'm here and I'm going to be talking to you guys all about these lights that are going to be able to go around for the basketball hoop. And so this is going to be really great for people that like to play basketball at nighttime. And so one thing that makes our basketball hoop really nice is it's one that obviously you can like raise and lower. So that way when my kids want to play it, we can kind of lower it down a little bit. But this is what you get with it. So you get a remote. You also get the 3M sticker, which is going to be great to be able to hold the battery pack. And then you're also going to get some larger zip ties, and then also some smaller zip ties. And then you get the rest of this. And so let's go ahead and disconnect this here. And so all you're gonna do is going to go ahead and attach this around the basketball hoop. This is what it looks like, and on the inside it's the LED light, so it's going to be really nice because again it's going to be able to be outside, so it's going to be able to be waterproof. So again, all I'm going to do is kind of attach this around there and use the zip ties to be able to keep it up there, and then use this piece for the 3M sticker. All right, you guys, so have it up. So now I'm just going to go ahead and trim where some of these zip ties were. And then the next step is I went ahead and I just kind of tucked the wires like underneath there. And then I'm gonna take and do the same thing with the 3M sticker on here and just kind of put it up underneath the basketball hoop. So that way it's still accessible for me to get to. But I'm mainly going to be using the remote for it. So I can already see it starting to light up because I put the 3 AA batteries in it. So cannot wait to see what it looks like at nighttime.